well, you're in big trouble now because that snow and ice will be covered by 6 to 10 inches of snow that's going to stay for a week or two, just like the last storm. So get ready. You guys, this is like a spring storm in January. January is one of our drier months, so this is a little out there. It's a little bit out there. It's a classic southeastern Colorado low, and if you've lived here long enough, you know what I'm talking about. That means business. That's the kind of storm that we really need to watch very carefully.
We're in the Sky Club Lounge and just sitting chilling, drinking my coffee, watching the planes go by. It's pretty nice. I've been here for 9-ish, or before 9:30, so been here for about an hour, maybe an hour and a half probably. It was crazy. So on our way to Colorado, and it's raining here, but it's like snowing there, kind of. Like it's not supposed to be snowing today, but it is supposed to be snowing tomorrow. And they just had some snowstorms come through yesterday and the day before. So my best friend said they had 10 inches of snow. Yeah, we're here. I'm gonna get on our second flight soon, and I guess I'll check back in with you guys when I get to Colorado. Hey brats, alright, so we have made it to Colorado. Look at that. Look at that beauty. So much snow. Mountains are beautiful though. I'm a little tired. That flight was a little longer than expected, but feeling good. Feeling good. Look at that. So beautiful. Anyway, we'll be here until Monday, and then I'll be back home, but can't wait to go ski on the slopes. Connor better be here. We're here. I'm gonna go look for Connor. It's a walk to get to this area, but we're here. We're gonna look for Connor, and I'll check in with you guys when we're with Connor. I'm a little tired because I had to walk up a little bit of a hill. Not in as much good of a shape as I thought it was. But let's go find Connor and stay warm because it's cold.